Lishonile mbukeli kepha ke belingeke lashona ngaphandle kwetindzabadalo. Nati talo muhla tingelulwimi lwesiswati la ku SABC asikubingelele sikwemukele.
We will not be fooled. Honorable members, every racist enclave, no matter how small, is a cancer on our nation's body.
Liqembu le-EFF lendela ubito lwekuthi kususwe tindzawo letikhethekile letifana ne-Orania ne-Klein-Fontaine kuleli.
Singumkhandlu sivile ke ukuthi kunetinhloso SIU yokuthi ite okwenda liphenyo.
Mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa sewunikete i-Special Investigation Unit ligunya lekucala luphenyo kumasipala waseMbombela eMpumalanga.
Now I have to go to Durban, spend my money for transport, then arriving there my ticket is valid. Now who's gonna refund me there?
Emathikithi enkundla etemidlalo iMoses Mabhida lenetihlalo letingu 50,000 lathengwe ngalokweqile ashiye balandzeli bebhola labalinganiselwa ku 10,000 bathumele. Liqembu le-EFF lendela ubito lwekuthi kususwe tindzawo letikhethekile letifana ne-Orania ne-Klein-Fontaine kuleli. Likusho lokhu kunkulumo mpikiswano lebeyibanjwe ePhalamende lapho bekukhulunywa khona ngale tindzawo. Leli qembu lithi kuba khona kwato kunebungoti kuphindze kuvimbele kwakheka kwesive lesibumbene lesingacwayani nalesimunye.
eMhlakoloni neClein-Fontaine eGauteng zindawo ezihlala amabhulu. Iqela le-EFF lithi ayizondawo zokugcina inkcubeko koko zenzelwe ukukhuphela abanye ngaphandle kwaye zinyasha imigaqo ebumba uMzantsi Afrika.
Honorable members, every racist enclave, no matter how small, is a cancer on our nation's body.
Amaqela aliqela ezopolitiko ayangqina.
Allowing racially exclusive communities to flourish unchallenged is tantamount to betraying the status struggle.
We will extinguish the racist thought of Cape Exit.
Iqela le-FF Plus lizikhusele ezindawo.
Who is the real threat to non-racialism? A political party who wants to cut the throat of whiteness and who wants to confiscate the property of whites.
Iqela le-Patriotic Alliance lithe kukho izinto ezihambelanayo phakathi kwezindawo neqela le-EFF.
South Africans should view EFF and enclaves like Orania as a threat to nation building.
Ngelixa i-Action SA icele amalungu azijonge kuqala phambi kokukhomba abanye ngeminwe.
The same ideology thrives here in this house, in parties that pretend to be liberal or revolutionary while preaching division, inciting hate.
Tingilulama Matya wendaba ze-SABC eParlamente eKapa.
Liqembu lemakomanisi kuleli SACP kanye neContralesa babambe umhlangano wekusebenzisana lomuhla eJozi kude udzingidza tindzaba tabohulumende basemakhaya kanye netebuholi bendzabuko. Mabhalane jikelele we-SACP Soli Mabhayila uthi leli libukene nenhlekelele litebuholi lobucotfo. Uthi sivumelana emkhathini kwemhlangano nemakomanisi neContralesa sithi kumele kuqiniswe luhlelo lekubuyiselwa kwemhlaba kubanikati bemvelo.
Kulandzela kuphumelele ebaleni imemetele ukuthi ifuna kungenela likhetfo itimele. I-SACP ithi itimisele ukusebenzisana nebaholi bendzabuko kude kuqatululwe inkinga yemhlaba. Mabhalane jikelele walenhlangano Soli Mabhayila uthi batimisele kusita imimango lebukene nebusweti.
We are happy that the traditional leadership under Contralesa agree with us on this. So that's also a common basis to mobilize our people to defend and regain their land that is now being stolen, albeit under constitutional framework. In other words, there's a legal thievery of the land of our people.
Mabhayila uthi kusebenzisana kwabo neContralesa aqoqotela ukwehluleka kohulumende kusebenzela sive uthi kude baholi labaqotfo.
This bilateral today was very important, particularly given the crisis of national transformation agenda in our country. Therefore, the bilateral meeting observed pertinent issues that affect our people and the crisis of leadership in our country, we'd agree that there's a general lack of leadership for our country and that the country is on autopilot. In fact, to an extent, this country seems to be remote controlled by forces other than the forces located in this country.
Emaqembu langamadlala ndzawonye ANC lafaka ikhathi yona SACP ataba nemhlangano lotawucacisa ngelikusasa laleti inhlangano. Kusenjalo ikhosathu ivete ukuthi satawutsatsa isinqumo sekwesekela SACP elukhethweni.
Mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa sewunikete i-Special Investigation Unit ligunya lekucala luphenyo kumasipala waseMbombela eMpumalanga. Lolu phenyo lumayelana nekungasetshenziswa kahle kwetimali nakukhokhwa emathenda lasikhombisa kulo masipala. I-SIU itawuphenya abaphathi, disebenti kanye nabaletha tinsita kulo masipala ngalokungemthetho emkhathini weminyaka wa 2015 newa 2025 kanti ihlose nekubuyisa yonke imali lelahlekile ngalesikhathi.
Kuphenya masipala weSity of Mbombela njengoba liphiko loluphenya emacala lakhethekile yikholelwa ukuthi kusetshenziswe imali ebuhlapha lokuphocelele ukuthi umbuso ulahlekelwe imali lolu phiko luthi litawuphenya ngokusetshenziswa kwetimali kulo masipala.
Tender 1 for investigation and legal services, tender 2 relating to the installation of internal municipal civil engineering services, construction of low-cost reconstruction and development housing unit, and the provision of project management under the Integrated Residential Development Program at Amajindini Extension 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Tender 3 relates to engineering services. Tender 4 is for the construction-related goods and services in respect of the R538 Azeview to Numbi Gate 10 of project. Tender number 5 is relating to the appointment of professional consultant for the establishment of strategic programs and project support unit for the municipality. Tender 6 is in relation to 10 key energy efficiency and demand side management program. And lastly, tender 7, that is in relation to the implementation of the construction of the phase 1 of the Nsikasi North Bulk Water Scheme.
Masipala weMbombela utsalumukela lolu phenyo.
Singumkhandlu sivile ke ukuthi kunetinhloso the SIU yekuthi ite okwenda liphenyo ngetinsolo tenkohlakalo kulo masipala iCity of Mbombela. Sifuna kusho ke kubahlali bakithi ukuthi bebasengakasithinzi ngalokusemthethweni kepha ke siyabaqinisekisa ukuthi ngalesikhathi kutokwendeka sitawubambisana nato tonke tinhlaka tahulumende letiphenya tindzaba tenkohlakalo.
I-SIU itawuhambisa yonke imiphumelelo liphenyo kubashushisi.
Mbukeli yexwayiswa ke ukuthi lo mbiko lolandzelako ungahle wesinze kulabo njengoba ukhuluma tindzaba telicatsi. Ummeli walobe kangumengameli wemajaji Selby Mbenenge uthi ukhathatekile ngekwehluleka kwamabhalane walelijaji Andiswa Mengo kuletha bufakazi lathi belisecingweni lwakhe. Lekusithombe lathi wathunyelwa nguleli jaji. Mengo usola leli jaji lo mengameli wemajaji ngekumhlukubeda ngekwemacasi bukhoma naselicingweni emkhathini wenhlaba nga2021 nelwedi nga2022.
Kuphinzilitwa ngemibuto kwalobeka sisebena naAndiswa Mengo Ndombo Qolo Jobela kumvayele koneni njengoba wehluleke ukukhipha ubufakazi betinsolo tithi Mengo bekathola tithombe letikhomba tinto telicasi ngalokusobala. Tinsolo tithi lijaji belimthumela titho talo tangasese Mengo lobeka bese utiqhubela kuye.
Andicacelwa council usiveze phone.
This is not clear now, council. Am I supposed to be producing this from my phone?
Yes.
Ewe.
Ansenayo kwalo phone ndandiyisebenzisa ngelo xesha.
Naloku imibuto iseseminyende umholo bofakazi ubese uya kumcondiso wokuchujwa kwetinhlelo tengalo phakemele ehlele eMpumalanga Kapa deni mhoqwana lapho ubufakazi bakhaqinisekise khona lunye luhlangothi lwaMengo. Mhoqwana uqinisekisile ukuthi Mengo wasibika lesigameko lokusolo ukuthi zingitva sona.
She said that she was called by the JP to his chambers. And once they got into the chamber, she says the JP said that she should see the effect that she has on him.
Khoqwana uphinze waqinisekisa ukuthi wacelwa nguMengo ukuthi ahlele umhlangano kude ecathulo letinsolo njengokusho kwebufakazi baMengo bangaphambilini.
and was liaising between the judge president and her until the incident when Ms. Mengo put up the WhatsApp messages that were exchanged between her and the JP on her status.
Her WhatsApp status?
Yes.
Ludzaba luyachubeka ngemsombuluko nalabanye bofakazi.
Basolwa lababili labathinzeka kunyamaleleni kwenithatheli lengu-Aseria Ndlovu nemlingani wayo Zodwa Mdluli bavele enkantolo yamanje kwaMhlanga eMpumalanga lomuhla. Labasolwa ababukene nemacala ekuthumba nekutholakala nempahla leyebiwe. Itolo emaphoyisa athole tinsalela lekholelwa ukuthi daleti Tanzani eRust Venter eHammanskraal.
Leti Tanzani solo dalahleka ngendlovana kanti ke emaphoyisa athi munye walababoshiwe labasihlanu ubese ubaholela endzaweni lapho batfole khona emathambo. Imvodzana yamdluli Treasure ithi umndeni uyehluleka kwemukela loludzaba lokutfolakala kwemathambo uphinze wangeta ukuthi unelithemba lekuthi basaphila.
The family is having a hard time taking the news because we were still hopeful that we were going to receive both of them alive. So getting to hear such news is shattering for the family. So for now, we're still waiting for the DNA results, but we are in a very bad space as a family at the moment.
Because the suspects are awabona but asati ukuthi ngiyibona or kanjani necourt manje ithatha isikhathi. No thina sifuna ukuthi baqale ngeprosecution manje iqale bangabhizi bapostpone ngoba isikhathi siyahamba.
Umndeni ke sewubeke lithemba lawo ekufanisweni kwelufuto lekusata kwentiwa.
Kuletinye umasibuye eTitolo. Tiphathimandla temthetho eThekwini titawube tiphume ngetinkhani ticinisekisa tekuphepha eMabhida. Wemgelekile ke mbukele esigabeni sesibili setindzaba tesiswati. Uma ucetha kungena tisekhona hlala nathi. Tiphathimandla temthetho eThekwini titawube tiphume ngetinkhani ticinisekisa tekuphepha enkundleni yetemidlalo iMoses Mabhida emidlalweni wemancamu endlebe yeNedbank. Kepha emaphoyisa athi alungise tinhlelo tawo tekuphepha kulandzela ukuthi bamfu etinkundleni tekuchumana basabise kususa luthuthuva ngenxa yekuswelakala kwemathikithi.
Labanganamathikiti ede bavumeleka nekuthi basondzele eMoses Mabhida. Bete kuphepha bathi dithathi njengelide tiphimiselo tekwesabisa.
Sicela nje ukuthi sazise umphakathi ukuthi ukuphehla udweshu nodlame kuyicala and sizokwenza ukuthi laba bantu labo abenza lokho sidile nabo baboshwe.
Emaphoyisa athi angeke avumele naluphi luhlobo lwebugebengu lwenteke.
Asikuthathi kancane into zabo le ukusabisa kwabo asikuthathi kancane neze kangangokuthi njengamanje sibhizi siyabafuna siyaba identify because bakukhona ubuso babo einkundleni zokuxhumana.
Emaphoyisa athi atakwengeta linani bese kuba nalabanye labasemoyeni labatawube bachaphele simo. Emaphoyisa emgwaqwa kamasipala nemaphoyisa lahlola timoto atawube alawula timoto njengoba kutawuvalwa umgwaqo lodude nenkundla yetemidlalo. Kunxuswa abalandzeli ukuthi bafike estadium kusenesikhathi basebenzise tindzawo tekupaka netekugibela emabhasi netitimela. Atawuvulwa nga-11 ekuseni emagede abese avalwa nakugabanca insimbi yesithathu nzambama.
Sikubutile ke mbukeli ukuthi kulandzela kukhethwa kwaPapa lomusha waseMelika ubona livekati leAfrika linalo lithuba lekuthola lesikhundla kuleli somfo lemakatholika. Umbono wakho uyalandzela.
Mancane kakhulu kwamathuba msakazi ukuthi singake sibone uPapa womuntu omnyama ikakhulu osuke eAfrika. Siyasibone namavideo akhombisa ukuthi basacwaseka ngempela kakhulu kusekude phambili.
Ngenzeka noma ngabe yini ebandleni lamakatholika kodwa engiqaphelayo nengikubukayo ukuthi abantu abaseholini ophezulu kuleli bandla ngabantu abamhlophe. Mhlambe ngelinye ilanga kuyokwenzeka abe khona waseAfrika asazi.
upapa eAfrica engakhethwa ngezathu ukuthi makukhethwa upapa ke ngabukwa ukuthi ukuliphi izwe ke kubukakala mhlawumbe imisebenzi yakho ukuthi umholi oqotho yini ngiyacabanga ukuthi nala eAfrica singamthola upapa ongahola ngokuqotho.
Asimbongele kakhulu upapa ogcine ekhethiwe kulesi sikhundla kodwa ke kubukeka sengathi mancane kakhulu amathuba ukuthi izwe laseAfrica likwazi ukuthi lisithole lesi sikhundla.
Akucacela noma ubani ukuthi soze siliflathele nathi leli umhlaba singakaze sibe naye uphopho webala lethu. Emva kokuphopha bangaka sebebekhona kodwa akekho uphopho onsuku la akekho uphopho uqhamuka eAfrica so kusho nje impela angeke simthole nje.
Lona ngumbono wembukeli iSABC ngeke yethweswa ukuphendulela ngawo. Inhlangano yematekisi iTwine United eNorthwest ithi imoto temalunga ayo letibhadala SA Taxi Development Finance tidliwa kakhulu ngenxa yekungaholwa kahle kwale business. Munye wemalunga lenhlangano uthole netulu neSA Taxi Development Finance kulandzela kuthathwa kuphinze kulinyatwe itekisi yakhe nanobe asabhadale yonke imali lebekingetekile yesikweleti.
Umnikati wetekisi Solomon Pitso uhlabe umkhosi kulandzela ukuthi itekisi yakhe lebekayithenge ngesikweleti saka SA Taxi nga-2020 idliwe ngenyanga yendlovana lonyaka amangeke ibuyiswe letekisi nanobe sekasikhokhile lesikweleti semali lebeyishoda ngesikhathi idliwa.
On February 18, I got a call saying they need to come fetch the taxi and they need me to pay 200,000 before 14 days.
Lokho ababhlungu kwenza konke ukuthi athole itekisi yakhe seyilimele ingekho nasesimeni lesikahle.
I want a new taxi because that one is damaged because it was lifted using forklifts. The passenger step is broken. The sliding door also has a bend and that vehicle was still new.
Itwa in United Taxi Association iti kuyathumata lokwendekile.
SA Taxi is the only financing office that repossesses most of our members' vehicles. Even when we try to make an arrangement with them, they just take it.
Ingapani lephethe SA Taxi immobilize iti iyaspenya lesikhalo saPitso.
You know, Mr. Pitso was 16 months in arrears, so he had not paid us. There's sort of a lot more than 300,000 rand outstanding on this account. Mr. Pitso settled 200,000 rand and we helped him restructure the rest of the loan.
Kusenjalo Pitso kufanele abuke letinye tindlela tekwenta imali asalinze isisombululo.
Nasivakashele timakethe tetimali sitfola ukuthi lirandi lehlile nalicathaniswa netimali takulamanye emave. Basele bathumele balandzeli belibhola letinyawo lebangu 10,000 kulandzela kuthengiswa kwemathikithi emidlalo wemancamu wendzebe yeNedbank ngalokwecile. Nanobe kube netinkinga tekuthengiswa kwalamathikithi, kepha abalandzeli beKaizer Chiefs basethembisa bathi babhekise emabombo kulomdlalo.
Kumoshakala kweseva ngemsombuluko kube nemthelele ekuthengiseni kwamathikithi emidlalo amancane eNedbank lotawudlalela eThekwini. Lenkinga iholele ekuthengiseni kwamathikithi ngalokwecile langu 10,000 kanti PSL iqinisekise balandzeli kuthi imali yabo itawubuyiswa ngakapheli amahora langu 72 nanoma kube netinkinga labanye balandzeli beChiefs bathi babhekise emabombo kulomdlalo.
My issue is like now I bought a ticket online already. So now you find during the week they were on the news. It's like they've refunded some of the people, 80% of the people are refunded. So I'm not sure I'm in that 80% or what. So now I have to go to Durban, spend my money for transport, then arriving there my ticket is valid. Now who's gonna refund me there?
Labalandzeli beChiefs lebaholwa nguSaddam Make bathi batawusuka lomuhla ebusuku kanti babalelwa ku100 kepha bangu30 labanemathikithi.
We're gonna leave at 8 o'clock. We are living at BP Garage with 8 taxis. Maybe only 30 people they have tickets. The rest they don't have a ticket. They will make a plan for us. Maybe they're gonna rest the whole stadium. I don't know. Because we are going to Durban. We can't. We wanna see our team.
Kulinzeleke balandzeli labangetulu ka 40,000 kuthi bayebukela lo mdlalo.
Asesibambe i-N4 ke siyembombela sive ukuthi Sibusiso Mahlalela usiphathele tiphi kuleti hamba embili kuleti phuma embiteni kuligwalagwala FM. Sibusiso kusephuka titsinzi kusase Moses Mabhida wena uphethe tiphi?
Asivusele Lindelo asivusele na kulisimba lakho khona ke egoli lishone embuko lethi zabade Swati ekhaya kulosihlanu Nzambama sevele ivungitela ke umoya wedabi Lindela njengoba inkuzitha seSoweto itatholana ke itulu elangeni lakusasa kumdlalo weNedbank ngetulu kwaloko Masipala weCity of Mbombela kulesifunda seMpumalanga usike utawusebenzisana nephiko leSIU uqinisekisa ukuthi SIU yena ke liphenyula ngekukhuleka nange masipala lenzela isolo tengahanjisa kwahle kwehlelo lekhishwa kwamathenda kunango masipala ngetulu kwaloko sawubuka ke phop lomshale bekathi ke akhethwa elangeni la itolo njengoba sinakubisa ukuthi inzima yakhe kunako umsebenzi wakhe lomusha engabe kuyawuba yini siboleke indlebe emlayini ngesimbi esithupha kuzimana sheqobele ngesimbi esikhombisa kumsakazo lokwala FM kuhlelo lediphuma embiteni bela sondwele ehlethimba na kwembukele ekhaya sihlangana ngalokudako
Tikuca lapho ke talomuhla siphinze sihlangane ngalokudako tikhona telulwimi lesixhosa uma kubungibana insimbi esikhombisa lomuhle ebusuku sikhona nesimo selitulu emva kwetitolo nisale kahle